Question 16 reads, the value of one solution to the equation above is 1. What is the value of the other solution? Well, before going, this question is about absolutes. And before we dive into this question, I want to highlight how we work out absolute questions with the easier example. Let's say the absolute value of A is equal to 5. Just an example. Well, what is A? A can be 5 and A can also be minus 5. Okay, so and we're going to use the same concept with this. Okay, so how I do that is, well, I have the absolute of 5 minus x equals 4. Well, that 5 minus x can be equal to 5 minus x can be equal to positive 4, right, or just 4 rather, or 5 minus x can be equal to negative 4. Okay, and so now if I can just solve for x, here in this first, and let's say the second one, in the first one I can bring the x to the right hand side by adding x to both sides, and bring the 4 to the left hand side by subtracting 4 from both sides. And so it becomes 5 minus 4 equals x, and so x equals 1. Okay, that's one solution. Let's do the second one. 5 minus x equals minus 4. Well, in the same way, I can add 4 to both sides this time, and add x to both sides this time. And so that brings the x to the right hand side and the minus 4 to the left hand side. So it becomes 5 plus 4 equals x, and so x equals 9. Okay, notice how we have two solutions. Which one do we choose? It says the value of one solution to the equation above is 1. They already know, the question makers already know that 1 is a solution. So they're asking for the other one, other solution. And that's going to be 9.